Hey guys, welcome to Bhats Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our new videos. And today we'll be making Mysore Pak. Fun fact, this recipe was first made in the royal kitchen of Mysore Palace. This recipe is very simple and requires only 4 ingredients and a little bit of concentration. This recipe needs to be prepared with care and it might take more than just one try to perfect it. But do not worry, do not fret. This recipe will underline all those areas that need a little extra concentration and will help you make the perfect Mysore Pak. Let's begin, shall we? Let's start by frying the besan or gram flour. In a large kadai or a pan, take half a cup of oil and 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Fry it until it gives out a nice aroma. Transfer it into a plate and we'll keep it aside for now. For the next part, you can use a large non-stick kadai and take 2 cups of sugar. That's our first and this is the second cup. Now add 1 cup of water. Keep it boiling and stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved and attains 1 string consistency. To check the 1 string consistency, take a small bit of the mixture in between your forefinger and thumb and slowly pull them apart. If a single thread is formed and does not break, then the mixture has attained 1 string consistency. If it doesn't attain 1 string consistency, this recipe will not succeed and it will become Mysore burfi instead. Now, while your sugar syrup is getting ready, let's quickly melt 2 cups of ghee. In a pan, take 2 cups of ghee and put it on medium flame. Our ghee has melted. Let's go back to our sugar syrup mixture. Now add the fried besan to your sugar syrup. Now take a ladle full of hot ghee and pour it over the besan mixture. Keep stirring until the ghee is completely absorbed. Then continue adding another ladleful of ghee. Keep mixing. You should see frothy layers when adding the hot ghee. Repeat about 4 to 5 times or until either the hot ghee has been used up or the mixture releases the ghee and the mixture starts separating from the pan. So far the ghee is being absorbed, so we'll continue adding and watching our mixture. Pay a lot of attention at this stage, as if you delay in pouring the mixture in a tray, you will end up with powdery Mysore Pak and it won't hold the shape. Now be very careful because it is in this 30 seconds where the besan mixture starts releasing the ghee and does not absorb any more ghee. As soon as this happens, without any delay, transfer it into a deep pre-greased tray. Using a deep tray ensures that the Mysore Pak gets its signature golden brown color in the middle. You can set the mixture by slightly pressing it from the back of a spoon and then let it sit there until it cools. Once it's cooled, divide it into 3 sections and cut it into desired shape. Our Mysore Pak is ready. This is one of our all-time favorite recipes, and if you liked it too, hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be informed about our latest recipes. Do comment on how your Mysore Pak turned out and how many times it took you to perfect the recipe. If you have any more suggestions, comment them in the comment box below. And until the next video, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep watching Bhats Kitchen. Stay at home and stay safe.